What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bronx Rider again. Back at it again with another video after so freaking long. Finally. Finally. Whew. It's been a while since I put up another video. Main reason I haven't been playing up any videos is because this the 3M double-sided tape that comes with the GoPro mounts, it took a shit on me. You know, so it took me a while to set it up. I've been so busy lately with work and family stuff and whatnot, you know, I haven't really got a chance to fix it up. And now I did last weekend. I did make, this is like the second video I made, but it's just like the other video was a little ugh, I didn't really like it. And I'm using some new editing tools. I'm using Adobe what the hell was it? Adobe Premiere Pro now, that's what it's called. For like my videos going on and whatnot. I was using iMovie, but I kind of built a gaming PC per se, and it's really good for editing too. Like the freaking, I haven't really like edited a video, but when I edited some photos that I took a few days ago, it came out crisp and it was fast, like very fast. I really like how they came out. It was freaking amazing, you know. Now I've just got to get back to the video editing stuff. You know, hopefully Adobe Premiere Pro is I get used to it, because it took me a bit to get used to iMovie. So I'm back. I think it's been like 3 weeks, a month now since I put up a freaking video, and it's about time. It's about time. Try to bring out videos as much as I can. I'm actually going on vacation at the end of the month of August. I'm going to Florida. Good old Miami, Florida, and then I'm headed to Orlando. Definitely want to go to Orlando Harley over there. That's a place that I've been dying to check out. You know, who knows? Maybe I'll probably see Blockhead out there or whatever. But that'll be crazy if I do. I would love to ride out there, but my Iron 83, I don't think it's cut out for it. I mean, it's cut out for it, but I'm not ready for a 24-hour ride to Miami and Orlando. It's my girlfriend's birthday, so we're gonna go celebrate out there. So yeah. Topic of this video, I honestly do not know. I came into this video not knowing what the hell I'll be talking about. I hope the audio is good. Hope the mic is hooked up correctly and everything. Yeah, it feels like it's on or whatever. I'm actually shooting in 4K as well, so the quality's gonna be better now, thank God. So let's see how this video comes out. Hope it looks good. I'm headed home right now. Gotta pay some bills. Sucks. You work, and all you gotta do is pay your freaking bills. It's probably be a short video, to be honest, just because like I honestly do not know what the hell I'll be talking about throughout this whole video. Whoa, what the fuck was that, bro? Definitely have to make a video going to Motorcycle Mall. I've been talking about that so many times, about going over there. I really want to check out that dealership, man. It's just, I've been so crunched for time. I haven't had any time to go because I've been working crazy shifts at work and personal issues here and there. So let's see. Hopefully I'll make that happen in the next few weeks. I am going on vacation for 2 weeks, but I'm only staying in Florida for what? I think it's gonna be 4 days, 5 days. Stayed in Miami for 2, then headed to Orlando for 3. So definitely try our best to enjoy that time. Probably on the way back to my girlfriend's house, I'll probably have a topic for a video or whatever. I'll look something up. Something. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at BigNando212. I'll put links in the description. Yeah. Oh, remember, 2 wrongs don't make a right, but 2 facts make a dead ass. Can I get a year? Deuces.